In this lesson, we'll cover the concepts around configuring and managing order holds. Our learning objectives for this section are as follows. After completing the lesson, you should be able to describe how holds are used, be able to explain at a high level how holds are set up, and also be able to define a hold code. With each lesson, we're introduced to this graphic which represents the wide range of functionality provided by the order-to-cash flow. Each topic touches on these functions, including upstream and downstream integrated applications. In this lesson, we focus on holds. Hold management is one part of enabling order orchestration. As the graphic shows, orchestration also includes order promising, orchestration process definition, and branching conditions. It also includes pause task and wait steps along with status management to track progress. In addition, orchestration covers orchestration process planning, fulfillment line splits, jeopardy management, and change management. Our first topic is an introduction to holds. Oracle Order Management uses holds to control order fulfillment. A hold prevents an orchestration process from moving forward by temporarily stopping an action that's running on a business object or business service that the process references. You can also place a hold on tasks that are scheduled to run in the future. The hold source system attribute shows where the hold was applied. If a fulfillment line has a hold, but the orchestration process hasn't reached the step where that hold applies, order management may continue running the process until it reaches that step. Also, if a fulfillment line previously had a hold that hasn't been released, order management can still show it as an active hold, even when the line doesn't currently have a hold applied. In the screenshot on the slide, you can see a hold icon next to an order on the Manage Orders page. The indicator appears in the exception type column. To navigate there, go to the Navigator, select Order Management, and then select Order Management. On the Overview page, open the Task menu and select Manage Orders. Then on the Manage Orders page, enter your search criteria and click Search. Our next topic is applying holds. You can apply holds manually at different levels. You can place a hold on an order line, or a fulfillment line. If you apply a hold to a model or a shipment set, the hold automatically applies to all levels within that model or shipment set. You can also control holds through role-based access. You decide which users are allowed to apply and release holds, and you can limit specific hold types so that only certain job roles are authorized to apply or release them. Order management can also apply holds automatically in specific situations. It can apply a hold during a credit check. It can apply a hold when a change made in the order management work area requires the orchestration process to be compensated. It can apply a hold when the source order already includes a hold and then carries that hold over to the fulfillment line it maps to the sales order. It can also apply a hold when a fulfillment line that already has a hold is split because each resulting line inherits the hold. Finally, it can apply a hold when you enable hold logic through an order management extension. Our next topic is releasing holds. You can release a hold manually, but where you can do it depends on how the hold was applied. If the hold was applied in the order management work area, you can release it there as well. In general, you can release a hold from any channel, even if it was applied in a different channel, as long as your role includes the required privileges. The main exception is a credit check hold, which you can release only in the order management work area. Unless you cancel the orchestration process, you need to manually release each order hold and enter a release reason. Also, make sure you have the appropriate privileges to release holds. Order management can also release holds automatically in certain situations. It releases the hold after it finishes compensating for an order change. It also releases holds when you cancel an orchestration process because any holds that reference that process are no longer needed. A credit check hold is released after the related credit check case folder is approved in Oracle Cloud Credit Management. Finally, if a hold is applied through an order extension, that hold ends automatically when the event it's tied to ends. Our final topic for this lesson is setting up holds. Hold codes are used to stop processing. Holds are role-based and set-enabled, which means you can restrict who can use them based on a job role, and you can control access based on the user's business unit. A set is a way to organize business units and manage which business units can access a specific hold code. You set up hold codes on the Manage Hold Definitions page. On this page, you can create hold codes that are date-enabled, assign the hold code to a set that business units reference, and then define whether the hold is general or specific to a particular task or service. You define hold release reasons on the Manage Standard Lookups page by searching for the lookup code DOO-HLD release reason. To navigate to hold code setup, go to the navigator, select Others, and then select Setup and Maintenance. In the Setup and Maintenance page, select the Order Management offering, and then select the Manage Hold Codes task. You can also set up holds by using order management extensions. With this approach, you apply a hold on the order header or an order line when the on-save event or the on-start of submission event is triggered. This capability applies to new sales orders only. For details on how to create these extensions, refer to the Help Center topic named Use Order Management Extensions to apply holds on order lines. When you build the extension, make sure you include the right validation. You should avoid applying a hold to configuration child lines, and you should prevent duplicate holds from being applied. You should also check the user's privilege before applying the hold. To wrap up this lesson, you should now be able to describe how holds are used in Oracle Order Management. You should also be